Hello. Welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, a trading coach. I will be doing a live trading session and live analysis, live trade that we do every single day. So as a volatile day, as you can see, peep day that we have spent yesterday as well. Let's find out where is the next opportunity coming up in our trading. So I will be looking at first of all gold and all of them one by one. Now before I begin this session, make sure that you like this stream, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So I will be first of all starting with bigger picture, starting with gold, and then we'll be looking at the GJ as well. As you have seen, GJ was very volatile and we had quite a few incredible trade on GBP JPY as well, including the one that we did yesterday. And let me know guys in the live chat, using the live chat, any question that you have, don't hesitate to ask me. So first of all, I will be starting with bigger picture, daily time frame. Now from the daily, we see that gold is melting like a melting ice, like the ice is melting like a water, you know that. So there is a waterfall on gold, and we see that in that meltdown on gold, the price currently coming to the daily support level. Though the price is coming to the daily support, as there is a monthly close coming, we could see that gold is dropping down to create a new lower low. Now if we look at the monthly time frame on gold, we can see that from the monthly perspective, the price is currently heading to this monthly 20 EMA. Now this is the monthly 20 EMA, the price is approaching that level, and with that monthly 20 EMA retest, gold might break the low to create a new lower low. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, back to back 2 weeks, there is a long week, and also there is a long week here. Back to back 2 long week candle on the weekly has given gold a very sharp drop, and we can expect now the price to break the low to create a new lower low. Now this previous weekly candle on gold, we see that which is a very sharp drop in that zone. Now this long week candle is a possible sign of bigger drop on gold, and as a result, if you look at the daily, we see that the market, there's a long week candle here as well. And from that zone, as expected, as you have seen in our weekly Forex forecast also, this is what I have mentioned, that gold is likely to break the low, and it did that. Now at this point, what I think that the market is, as it is heading to the support level, and from that support level, we can expect gold to come back down to create a new lower low. So from the further lower time frame, we can see that in that zone, gold currently multiple times the price gathered liquidity. There is one here, it gathered liquidity from here, from this doji, and we see that there is also the market gather liquidity from this bearish candle. Now back to back 2 liquidity candle has given gold a very sharp rejection towards the downside. As the market is heading to the support, very highly likely that we could see gold is breaking the low to create a new lower low. So this is where what I see, that on gold, even in the 15 minutes time frame, very smooth, nicely trending. As you can see, it's a nice trend, and I'll look for an opportunity once the market gather liquidity, and then we'll be jumping on a trade. Make sure guys you are not jumping early, because you need to open the trade in the right time, in the right place. It's very important. Patience is the key. Make sure that you keep patience, and also let me know in the live chat that how are you doing, and how was your day and everything. How are you doing in your trading as well. Thank you very much for joining the live session. Really appreciate your support to the channel. Smash the like button so that we can find more trades coming up along the way. Good evening. What about gold? Thank you very much. Good evening. Thank you. Hello. Good evening, coach. Smash the like button. Yes, Natalie, smash the like button and also hit that subscribe. Deborah, good afternoon. Cheru, hi. Do you mentor? Absolutely, this is my job, but the position is getting closed very soon, so still a couple of spots available. You can join if you want to join today. Probably at the end of the month I might pause for a couple of days because we have started new VIP classes as well on Zoom, so that I can look after everyone. Today we had also a Zoom classes, so you can join today. If a couple of spots, whoever will come first will get this, the link below this video. Also you can see the link at the top of the chat. Visit www.forextradingwizard.com, and once you are on the website, so this is the website address. Also I can let you know how you can find this. So visit the website here, www.forextradingwizard.com. So once you are on the website, bring it that. Okay, so this is the website. Click here to join, and then it will take you to the zone where you can join. I would recommend you to join the lifetime access, as this is where I can get you everywhere to help you everywhere possible. And this is a unique academy that you will see over time. For those who are trading with us know very well now, this is one of the best trading education you will ever find. Any question, don't hesitate to ask using the live chat available on the website. So let's begin with now on, we saw that gold, I'm waiting for a pullback to the upside, then you'll look for entry opportunity. Now in the meantime, I will be looking at here on a GBP JPY. Let me see how GJ is showing its hand. Now looking at GJ, now if you look at yesterday's trade on GBP JPY, guys, you have seen that we had massive trade yesterday on GJ in that area. Okay, we had a big drop here on GJ from this level that we have secured amazing profit on that trade during the live session. I'll be going through that as well. Now also just before this live, we had another massive trade on GJ along with many other trade coming along the way. So let's quickly recap those trade, because here in this academy everything is intended to help traders so that you guys can learn and grow as a trader. Now all the trade that I open, I definitely share with all of you guys. Today we had 3 massive winning trade back to back, all of them. So Aussie dollar hit that we have sent early today after the yesterday's New York session live. It has hit that profit target. Now GBP JPY, let me tell you why did I open those trade, and also I have shared that same trade to VIPs as well. Now this is the trade that I have sent out. You can see with entry. So I have entered at 181.22, stop loss at 181.344, and take profit at 181.06. I have closed a bit earlier, but which is worth taking this trade. Now this one is today, not the one that yesterday we did that during the live that we have secured with profit. Now GBP JPY, let me see why I have opened the trade. Now it is not, guys, I never advise you only just follow my signal and then make money. Though my signal is profitable, you guys know, for those who are on the VIP group, but I really want you to be able to pick those trade so that you can next time don't need to rely on the signal. So let me explain here why did I open that trade on GJ. What did I looked at? If you are curious about trading, definitely I would recommend you to pay attention. So first of all, looking at the daily time frame. Now from the daily perspective, what do you see that in that zone on GBP JPY? Let me bring that here. Now this is the daily chart. Also I have posted analysis on TradingView as well. Now you can see the price has come to this level where this is the support level, turn resistance here on GJ, and this support, okay, which is turning resistance in that area. And if you look at the overall picture on GBP JPY, what you see that in that zone, the price is creating series of lower high in that zone, right? This is an incredibly bearish market. This is a very strongly falling market in that zone on the daily, and we saw that the market has a strong drop followed by 2 days of narrow consolidation in that area, and from that zone we saw that GJ had a previous day had a drop. Now we had a trade yesterday in this live session, guys. Let me know if you have watched that trade during the live session yesterday. If you haven't watched it, let me know in the live chat. So, and from that zone, what we saw, the GJ have given this massive drop in that area. And then what we saw that from that level, if we look at, let me see the daily again. So this is the daily high, right? So what did I looked at, especially when I was opening that position? Let me replay the chart. This is the today's trade just now. If you look at here, now here you see that patience that we talk about all the time. All right, so patience is the key when you are trading. Now this 1 hour candle is a kind of it's also a bearish candle. All right, so here is the patience comes in place, that many traders who are impatient will be selling here, but I didn't sell. I was watching the chart, but I did not sell because I know that this market, this is the resistance line here, all right, and in this resistance the price already has broken the high, but is still not fully ready yet. Why? Because this is this market, this is the daily high. This level is the highest liquidity zone here. You can see that. And I was waiting for the price to trigger that liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity is the fuel of the market. Now, from that zone, once I see that, if you look at the 5 minutes time frame, you will see, let me replay all of them. And this is where, when we saw the market gather significant liquidity, only in that situation I have sold the trade. And this is what you need only, that today also I was talking about in the Zoom classes, where I was talking about the risk management, about the lot size calculation. Now in this live also I do that, but the thing is that here we are trading mostly, right? So you can see that if you look at this kind of trade, either you are trading anywhere, you're trading your own fund, your prop firm. If you know the proper risk management and you know how to open this kind of trade, no one should stop you from being a profitable trader. Being a profitable trader is in your hand. The only thing that you need to make sure that you do the risk management, you know the lot size calculation, and then you know how to find the profitable trade according to the strategies, and then you can trade. This is the simplest way you can trade, and this is what I always encourage. And this is the best thing that I told you, that I always share all my trade. It's rarely you will find this kind of things, because the traders doesn't want to share their trade, but I share because I know that I'm a profitable trader and I can help others to see what I'm trading. And you can see this, all those trade that you can see in this, all those trade are basically a real trade. We traded with the real money and everything. So you can check out more, link below this video in the description area if you want to be part of our trading community. Also you can do that. The link below this video also you can find a link at the top of the chat. Once you are on the website, you can let the agent know if you have any question. So with that being said, let me know guys, how are you doing today? Let's find out new opportunity. Probably how many of you have made profit from this GJ trade from yesterday, from today? I want to know in the live chat guys. Respond anyone that you had on that trade as well. Coach, is there any swing opportunity for short on gold? If so, which level would you look at? So swing opportunity on gold, normally I trade gold on the lower time frame. I'll look at for you, but you know, I hesitate to trade gold on the higher time frame because I know many of you follow my trade with maybe a smaller account, so it's sometimes hard for gold to trade on the higher time frame with a smaller account, but I'll look at it for you, no problem. Good evening, Vijay. Good morning. I just joined the last night. Really excited. Thank you, Blake. You are welcome. Always, I'm sure that you'll enjoy here, and definitely how to join. Cherry, you can join. Just visit the website, so you can find just below this video. You see the website address www.forextradingwizard.com. Once you are on the website, click join now button, then you will be able to join us to be part of a trading community where you can rely, you can learn and grow as a trader. Coach, please can you analyze euro dollar? Yeah, absolutely. Coach, can you share some light on currency triangulation and how can we? Yes, we'll be looking at that. Hi coach, thank you very much. Del Fred, thank you. Yesterday had a short on GJ. Yeah, absolutely, thank you. We had copy. Good evening coach, excited for a correction on gold, expected. Yep, yes, I'm expecting that too. All right guys, I hope that you're enjoying. Guys, make sure that you like this stream, subscribe to the channel, press that bell notification before we move to gold again to see what is the next opportunity. I really want to pause for 2 seconds so everyone have time to smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button where you this is the PEEP channel where you can find a lot of PEEP. We make PEEP and we pay bills using the PEEPs. So let's find out where is the next opportunity. That's awesome. Thank you for your support to the channel. We see that there is some volatility coming, and in the meantime I will be also looking at, you can say that calendar to see. So this is the calendar here on Forex Factory. So tomorrow coming big day for euro. I will be looking at euro dollar as well and also the gold. So definitely it will impact everything. There is a big day coming up. And before I move to the what I can say that gold, guys, make sure that you stay present for everything. I have a big announcement to share with you guys. That is that if you want to I'm one step ahead with the brokerage. So if you are now I'm trading with TMGM, so if you because they are SIC regulated and also having a very good opportunity for traders who want to trade with a smaller volume or a bigger volume. So I partnered with TMGM and they are fully SIC regulated broker. I have put a link below this video. You can use that link to join if the word joining to a broker that you can really count on. So I can give you also a link for TMGM. They are official partner of Chelsea, and also there's a lot of exciting thing will happen with them. I'm sure that you'll enjoy this broker. So I've given a link in the live chat as well. Also have given a link in the description area. You can sign up with TMGM, start trading with a broker that has a multiple account types. You can choose any kind of account types as well as different account types, and they are one of the biggest. So you can join them. I'm partnered with them, but keep in mind that I'm an educator, I'm not a broker. This is just a recommendation. If you are trading with them, then it will be easier for you to follow my trades as well. So it's up to you, but you can use your own broker to trade. No problem, no pressure. It's just a recommendation because they're SEC regulated. So you link below this video and also link at the top of the chat. You can use that link to start trading with TMGM, and you can definitely rely on that. And I will be on that with them maybe for the rest of my life. So you can find me here helping you becoming a profitable trader and also helping you to find a broker that truly matters. So always use a regulated broker, and you can Google TMGM. Their trust score is incredibly high, and you can start with them. So let's begin with gold now. If you look at on this gold, let's see the daily time frame to see where the market is heading. So we see that gold in fact still pushing down. Let's keep that aside, and I'll be looking at euro dollar as well, as big day for euro coming up. And what we see here on euro dollar, let me see. All right, so looking at euro dollar, you can see this is a highly bearish market. If you look at the monthly time frame on euro dollar, we see that from the monthly perspective, okay, this is a long bearish candle on the monthly, a lonely bearish candle. What do I mean by lonely? Lonely means that the candle has broken completely towards the downside. Okay, has broken down completely. And what do you see that from that support level, the price has completely broken out of this support on euro dollar. Now if we look at the timing, right? Timing is very important, guys. So I discuss this all the time. So timing means like what time is it in terms of if you look at the monthly, daily or weekly. See, these are the subtle things that very few traders pay attention. We always tend very busy in looking at the candlestick pattern, looking at price action, market structure, though these are the secrets, but there is another greatest secret is the timing. So it's not the time frame that I'm talking about. I'm talking about the timing. So what do I mean by timing? Timing is what time in terms of the monthly or daily and weekly close. Why? Because at the end of the day, this candle you see, they are not something live. Like this candle that you see, they are basically some kind of the human psychology, right? People are trading on the other side, and because of that, all right, so we see that because of that reason, what we see in this candle is when there is a monthly close coming, all right, so when there is a monthly close coming, there is a human tendency to take profit, to take trade. So timing is very, very crucial, because there are a lot of prop traders who uses this rules that you need to close this time, that time. And because of the market face a lot of volatility, and because of that reason, timing is very, very important. So when it comes down to the monthly close, it is a very good time, all right? So especially last week of the month and the first week of the month is the sweet spot for me. In the middle of the month, sometimes it a little bit consolidate, but what we see that as the monthly close is coming up on euro dollar, we can see that the market is almost heading to this monthly support level. Right now, with that being said, we look at the weekly. What do you see that in that zone on the weekly? This is the weekly support level, right? So we could see that this market coming down, breaking the low, and with that break of the low, what I think that the price might gather liquidity and then we can expect for the price to go ahead, and we could see that pullback. But at the moment it's a very strongly falling market. Keep in mind, guys, it's very important that you look at the market from the trending perspective. All right, this is where I sometimes I become tired of telling, but I still want to tell, is that sell from the lower low. Wrong. No, don't sell from the lower low. Sell from the local breakout and buy from the local breakdown. This is the most important note that you can down, because they said that sell from the lower low. Also, it's a wrong concept. I don't sell from the lower low. I sell from the local breakout. The proof is this GJ trade that just you see that I have sold GBP JPY less than 5 minutes. All the traders that trading with me, we have secured profit on GJ. Why? Because I sold from the local breakout. Let me show you what is a local breakout. Straight away you will be able to spot the trade straight away. Look at this one here on the 15 minutes time frame. Why did I open this position? Is because this is a local breakout. You see that this is a downtrend. All right, so this market, the trending down, this is GBP JPY 15 minutes time frame. All right, as I mentioned, guys, this is the 15 minutes time frame and the trend is down. You see that this is the previous resistance level. The price is trading in this level. What is this? This is a local breakout. All right, and when the market has done this local breakout, it has crossed this liquidity zone, and this is where the sweet spot, the gold mine, liquidity. All right, so when you see the market gathers liquidity, this is where you can find the best trade possible in the market. As the market moves from liquidity to liquidity, you can look for liquidity zone, wait for the local breakout, and then sell. And this is the right way. This is the way the big boys, the smart money trades. And if you are not trading like the smart money, chances that you're gonna lose the money to the smart money, and then you are gonna provide the liquidity. Either you're gonna provide the liquidity or you're gonna grab the liquidity. What do you want to do? You want to grab the liquidity or you want to supply the liquidity? Let me know in the live chat, guys. I want to see how many of you want to grab liquidity and how many of you want to give liquidity to the smart money. Good morning. What was the trade? Yeah, we had, no, this is a closed trade, guys. Don't open any position here. So you close that trade with profit. This is the GBP JPY sell. I just secured the profit on that. I was just explaining to you guys so that you know that this trade also was sent out to the VIP group who are trading with in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Can you analyze? Yeah, absolutely. Dollar yen. Thank you very much. Good morning, coach. Aussie yen. Yeah, absolutely. What happened to so good evening to you. Thank you very much. Dollar CAD. Thank you. Grab. Yeah, awesome. So abs want to grab liquidity. Yeah, absolutely. This is what you need to understand, that there are two parties, one lose, one gain. So who do you want to be, with the loser or gainer? If you want to be with the loser, then no one can stop you. All right, if you want to be with the gainer, then stay with the gainer. All right, see, you need to understand that trading is a game of probability, and very most loses, few wins. All right, and that's why I told you that if you want to learn soccer, then you need to go to the soccer coach. Don't go to the surgeon, then you might make you miserable. This is a complete, that's why you will find rarely that very few traders share their trades to their follower, to their group, and sometimes they find a way not to do that. But I do this because I know that if you go to a soccer coach and he cannot play football, then how can he teach you how to play soccer? This is how you need to understand it. That's why I trade on live, and also I share my trades so that, and I explain. So this is the right way to teach, because if you don't see how I am trading, how I am managing the trade from A to Z, how can you learn? So that's why I do that, so that you guys can learn it and grow as a trader. The intention here is to help you to learn and grow as a trader. The rest is up to you, how you want to be a profitable trader, or you want to keep losing money. I did that mistake, when I began my trading. I just was losing and losing and losing, not going to anywhere, thinking that I'm smartest guy, I can do everything, all right, and just to realize that actually I was not that smart. I was kind of stupid that time, right? So because according to Shakespeare, smart thing that he is stupid, and stupid things that he is smart. So this is where you need to understand that you need to invest on yourself time and energy. All right, so this is the key points. So let's find out where is the next trade available for us. We see that some clear movement on GBP JPY. This is a still downtrending market, and so we have secured that profit. Let's leave it like that. Let me find out where is the next opportunity. 4-hour close. So GJ is still maintaining the downtrending market structure. Let me find out. Okay, so we need to wait for a little more confirmation, then we can look for an entry opportunity in GBP JPY. In the meantime, let me see the gold, guys. This is a big day for euro dollar and gold. Let me see where is the next opportunity coming up. So there's a 4-hour candle closing. Before that, we might see some upside momentum on gold. This is a very sharply falling market. I'm not gonna take the risk of buying at the moment until we see a very sharp rejection from the support level. So let's quickly look at the euro dollar, because there is a news coming up tomorrow. Big day for euro. So let's find out where is the euro dollar. Possible pullback on gold. Want to grab liquidity with both hands. Very good. When you grab liquidity, even with one finger is more than enough. Just you need to click and then do it. All right, because liquidity is where the fuel of the market. So when you see the market is moving from liquidity to liquidity, you need to identify the zone where there is a liquidity. So a very good question. In fact, for those who are new, where is the liquidity? See, liquidity is basically the volume that you are putting in the market. You can see that this is a, let's say, and again, going back to the trade that we have opened on in all of them, like the GJ as well. So let me see that. Here's the GBP. Okay, so how do you know that is in fact there is a liquidity? Because at the end of the day, you can't see what is in the market, right? You can't see visibly the liquidity. Let me draw this level, and then you identify the liquidity. So let's understand from the simplest way how to find the liquidity zone, how to find the zone where you can enter with ease and confidence. All right, so let me see. Imagine that a market drop. So why did it drop? Because the seller sold this market. It's gone back up and then doing like that. So which is the fundamental language of the market. Now, once the market does this, basically what it is doing, this market, is that it is respecting these levels. All right, these are the price zone where the sellers selling this market from those levels, right? Now, when you see this, at some point, what if you see this? What does that mean? This is the key points that you need to understand. See, when the market does this, the trend traders started to sell this market, and also those who trail the stop loss, that means that moving the stop loss to catch the trend, they move the stop loss in those areas, in those swing high. Now, why does this happen? First of all, do you know that who is the most intelligent traders? According to statistics, according to science, those who are intellectual, those who has the intellectual curiosity. Intellectual curiosity makes a trader profitable. All right, keep in mind, guys. This is the most important thing you need to. A good trader, not profitable. A good trader is the one who has the intellectual curiosity, not only in trading, every dimension. Those who has the curiosity always goes to the top. All right, curiosity is the key, even in terms of children as well. So if you look at this, this level here on this market, why this happen, this vertical move? It happens very simple, is because, see, when the sellers sell, the price drop, right? When the sellers sell, the price drop. Now, those who are bigger investor in the market, such as bank, hedge funds, institutional trader, they cannot sell like us every time, whenever you press the button, make a sell and then buy. They can't do that. They need to do it in a very specific way, because the bar price will move a lot. And when the price is low, they cannot sell anymore because it's below their threshold. So they need this price to go up. Now they cannot push it up, right? Because it's not in their hand. But what they do is, it's what a kind of conspiracy theory, what I can say, that they manipulate the market, but no one knows in fact how does it happen. But somehow the market goes up, all right, breaks this swing high, right? And then it triggers that liquidity. Now, why this happen? Why does, after going there, the market drops aggressively and gain momentum? Is because when this market was dropping above those levels, there is stop losses. And when you are seller, your stop loss is a buy order, right? So basically, you thought that you told your broker sell when the price is here, but at the same time, you told your broker that buy when the price is here. And when the price is there, you bought, they sold, and the market drops. Now, when can you take those profitable trade? When you trade with the smart money, not with the dumb money. And that's where you have to understand that your money is a smart money, not the dumb money. And that's why you need to understand that liquidity, price action, and market structure. These are the three fundamental aspects of trading that always you need to master profitable trading strategy. I hope that you're enjoying, guys. Make sure that you like this stream, subscribe to the channel, and for more information, for more analysis ideas, you can find the link below this video in the description area. Make sure you check out everything, and at the same time, if you're enjoying this live session, you want to if you are trading, make sure that you trade with a regulated broker. And regulated broker that I'm currently partnered with is TMGM. The link below this video in the description area. You can use that link to open an account with them, and you can start trading with a ASIC regulated broker. And also I can give you a link in the live chat. You can click that link and then you can start trading with a regulated broker. So let's find out now on GJ what's happening. What is the next opportunity for us? And then we're looking at the gold as well. Gold is not moving much, so William, absolutely, thank you very much. Okay. Dollar yen, yeah, absolutely, we'll be looking at that. Okay, so GJ, guys, in the 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame, what we see that this market is really doing very well. Let me see where we can find the next opportunity. Still, we need to see that the market is broken out of this structure from here, and from the daily, still the market is trying to break the daily high. I think that we could see that break very soon on GJ. So where we see that this upside momentum on GJ, there is a probability for bit more upside, which might give a very good entry opportunity. We see that the market has okay. Let it play out, guys. In the meantime, let me see gold again. Where is the next opportunity? How many of you are really hungry to have a great trade like me? We are not that much hungry, but still, I want to find some good trade. We had an incredible trading session. AUD USD, guys. Some of you are really asking a lot of questions. Let me yesterday you have seen that our live session in GBP JPY, Euro JPY didn't work out, the first one, and then GJ worked out. And as soon as I finished the live session, you can see that those trade I have sent out to the VIP sessions, VIP group. You can see that this is the AUD USD trade exactly from here. As soon as I finish the live session, I have posted on the VIP group. Now let me tell you exactly where I have given the TP target, hit the TP, and then has gone back up again. So let me quickly review those trades. See, keep in mind that what is working for me will work for you, will work for everyone. So that's why I bring it up to you so that you understand that how it worked. Now AUD USD, you can see this is where I have entered this trade. Now this is a live trade that I have sent, also I have opened in my account, and also for those who are following my account directly have seen that trade in your account. Now let me show you AUD USD live chart to see exactly what happened with that trade. Now this is where in Forex Trading Wizard Academy I show the real trade with the real results. Now you can see this is the trade that I have posted. This is the candle that I have traded. Now why did I traded this candle? You can see that, you see this is a bearish engulfer. Now review that exactly at 2:26 a.m. in my time this trade was posted. Okay, it's in the VIP group. Now this is the candle you can see. Now what did I looked at in that trade? Let's investigate that so the next time you can pick the same trade. Let me turn on the TF strategy indicator. Now this is one of my favorite trading strategy that I use to trade, and this is our TF strategy applied here. Now what is TF strategy? Is trend following trading strategy that I use to find the best trade possible in the market. Now along with the TF, I have used the news component in it, which I call the news and price action trading strategy. Now if you look at this market, this is the 4-hour time frame. Though it is a 4-hour time frame, see that how long it took me to take the profit, less than 3 hours, right? So sometime some trader might say, okay, I will trade on 4-hour, it's too high time frame, I want to trade on the 30 seconds and 1 minute so that I can lose money. No, you don't need to lose money. Even if you are trading on the 4-hour, you still can make profit in just less than an hour. Now you can see that once I posted that trade, what did I looked at? The component of liquidity, price action, and market structure. These are the components that I use when I trade, and the strategy that I use, that I teach to the students, is one of my favorite trading strategy. The TF strategy combines with the 10 and 20 moving averages along with the price action has given us that entry. So if you look at this trend, you can see that this market is nicely trending. All right, this is a resistance line, there is a huge liquidity trigger here, and then has gone back after a pullback, and the market nicely prepared for a drop. And as soon as I have sent that, you can see the next candle, it's given us the full profit. Still, it could still dropping, but I have taken the profit. Some of you probably was still holding. It's still dropping, and this is how trading is right now. It's not a hard. Some people might tell you it's hard, because if they make you that it is hard for you, is good for them but not good for me, because when you make money, I make money. Very simple, plain, that if you are profitable, then I am profitable. This is the main goal here in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, to help trader so that they can learn and grow as a trader. Make sure you like this stream, subscribe to the channel, support the channel so that I can create more and more for you guys. This weekend also I will be posting a lot of content for all of you so that you can enjoy it. You can watch that. Make sure you stay tuned during the New York session and London session time during the weekend so that you can watch them, all of them. So did you do that? Did you subscribe to the channel? That's awesome. Thank you for that. So let me see what else we have in the market. Hey coach, can you please explain more about SMC and order blocks? Yes, I heard that. Absolutely, we will be discussing that. I'll look at it next point. Trade the liquidity, don't become the liquidity. Lincoln, yeah, absolutely, very good. Please dollar yen, yeah. Kakulan, hello. 3 year, no. Very good. I missed that trade. Giano. Okay, so if you miss the trade, let it go. There will be more. And for those who are missing trade, also I have more opportunity in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. For those who are missing trade, you can connect your account directly to my account so that you are not missing out. It's up to you. There is a lot of updates opportunity for all of you, no problem at all. Thank you very much. What a small word. Thank you. Awesome. EuroCAD, yeah, absolutely, we'll be looking at that. Yes, sure, thank you. And a lot from your coach. God bless you. God bless you too. I need a good trade today, please. I missed your study. No worries, we'll be looking at that. The most important here, collect more pips again today. Yeah, absolutely, Jackson. Yeah, this is the main goal here, is to catch pip, collect pip, and at the same time, absolutely, also you cannot force the market. This is the most important thing that you need to keep in mind. When it comes, we do. When it doesn't come, being patient. Maybe we can talk more about the psychology, trading psychology, mastering the trading psychology, mastering the risk management, also very, very important. And this is where also very, very important, guys. It's not all about peep as well. It's not all about the strategy, also about mastering the trading psychology. This is where 80% fail. So if you identify the reason for failure in trading, 90% of the trader fail because of poor trading psychology. So this is the fact that you need to understand. And because I can teach you a very good strategy, all right, I can teach you that, but I cannot teach you how to develop trading psychology. I can teach you, but you have to be willing to give into that. All right, see, the there is a saying, there are two ways you can get something. One is by doing, the other one is by being. All right, so the only permanently I can shift you from a losing trader if you are not profitable to a profitable trader by shifting your identity. And this is the concept that very few understand, but if you understand it, you become whatever you want to become. So how does the identity is shifted? Identity is who we are. Is very subtle. So to be a profitable trader, you need to be willing to shift your identity from the one who you are to the one who you want to be. Now, if you are not willing to do that, then you don't want to be a profitable trader. Then you keep losing money, then no one can stop you from being a loser. And that's what you will be destined to. But if you are willing to shift your identity from a losing trader to be a profitable trader, this is where I am, always to help you in every way possible. Let me know in the live chat how many of you really truly want to be a profitable trader. See, in a first world country like Australia, in USA, in UK, an hour worth of $20, $30, $40, $50, you are spending 2 hours in this channel just to watch the live, and I want you to really to use that time so that you can use this. Okay, write it down that you truly want to be a profitable trader. When you say, you influence the unconscious mind so that it happens for you. How do I connect my account, Blake? If you are our VIP member, Blake, you can do that. Just send a text in the address that given on the channel. Cool trader. Yeah, absolutely. We will be entering the trade as soon as you will find that. Hi, coach. Great live stream. Coach has the best strategies. James, yeah, absolutely. Blake, I do think that's awesome. That is awesome. That's what we need. You first need to be willing to become what you want to become, and then you can become. All right, so this is the main goal here. First of all, you need to be willing to become what you want to become. All right, so let's find out here. Deepak, any trading opportunity? Yes, as soon as it comes, definitely we will be looking at that. Okay, any trading opportunity coming along the way, definitely we will be jumping on a trade. We are waiting for an entry, so as soon as I will find that entry opportunity, definitely I will be looking to enter. So let me see on dollar yen as well. All right, so looking at dollar yen to see how the market is doing now. AUD USD, yeah, absolutely, I will be looking at that. AUD USD, very important pair. Euro dollar, AUD USD are very important. So looking at dollar yen, and then I'll jump on to the other pairs as well. Looking at the daily time frame now, from the daily perspective, dollar yen is still showing that bullish momentum, very sharply bullish. Now if we look at the monthly, we can see that this is the monthly price action on dollar yen, and in that monthly candle, which is aggressively bullish. How do you know it's a bull or bear market? Very simple. If you see that a market is maintaining series of higher low, it's a bull market, not the higher high. This is where a very important point to look at. So when you see that a market is maintaining series of higher low, is very important in terms of uptrend. Series of lower high is very important in terms of downtrend. Now if you look at the dollar yen here, what we see that in this market, This is the monthly price action, and you can see it's smoothly maintaining series of higher low except this long wick candle here. And with that series of higher low, the market has broken that resistance completely to the upside. And what we can expect for the price to respect this level and then to continue to go move to the upside. Now, looking at the weekly time frame, we can see that here there is a long wick. This is the liquidity back-to-back two dojis. Price has broken to the upside, and there is this long wick candle is an imbalance here. We might see the prices going up to fill that imbalance. Now, looking at the daily, what we see from the daily perspective here is that you can see it's maintaining this level here. If we look at that, you can see that the market is maintaining that level. So looking at for the lower time frame on dollar yen, we see that there is a liquidity trigger here on dollar yen, and there is also liquidity trigger. So every time the price is whenever dropping down, gathering liquidity and moving towards the upside, so which is sharply strongly bull market. And for me to enter a buy, this is the 1 hour chart. You can see with this bullish engulfer, price still maintaining that upside. With the dropping of gold, we could see that dollar yen is still maintaining that bullish market structure. So for me, for an entry, it's at the top, as I mentioned, that I buy from the local breakdown, sell from the local breakout. So on dollar yen, I will be waiting for a local breakdown. Let's go back to gold again. We see that there is a candle close on the 4 hour time frame. I will be looking at all the pairs to see how it is doing now. Aussie yen also, we are running a trade. Also, this one is running in profit a little bit. Let me see if there is any new opportunity from swing trading perspective. Cat CHF. Cat JPY is showing potentially local upside, but not a very impressive market. GJ. Okay, so let me see on GJ. Might gather more liquidity. This time it might break the high again. So tomorrow Euro news is coming, right? Now what we see here on Euro CAD, you might find an opportunity in that area. Let me see. It's approaching a support level. Euro CAD has formed back-to-back two liquidity candle, but it's approaching this support level, which is a little bit of problem. Otherwise, I would sell this market. This is a high liquidity zone. AUD USD. So I had a request from one of you about AUD USD. Let me see. So AUD USD might go up for deeper pullback from the daily. Okay, so AUD USD, we might see some deeper pullback, and then we can expect for downside momentum on AUD USD. Euro dollar is bearish. Okay, so let's look at euro dollar a bit more in a deeper sense, because tomorrow is a big day for euro, and then we'll go back to gold again. Now, if we look at the euro dollar, we can see that from the daily, what do we see here on the daily perspective? This is a long wick candle on the daily time frame, a daily pin bar, followed by two narrow candle on the daily time frame. And from that zone, we see that the price had a big drop on euro dollar, and so far it is maintaining a strong downtrending market structure on euro dollar. And if we look at the lower time frame, we can see that on euro dollar, back to back two dojis, a bearish candle. Now, looking at the 1 hour chart for potential entry, you can see that this market, as I mentioned, is trending, creating series of lower high, which is a downtrending market. And in that market, what we can expect on euro dollar for pullback, a deeper pullback, like the one that we see on GJ as well. So we could see that on euro dollar is for the price to go ahead, break the high, and then we can expect for downside momentum in this market. So I will be waiting for on euro dollar for a deeper pullback, and then we can expect for downside movement on euro dollar. Okay, so here you can see this is a local bearish. So this is a bear flag. So what is a bear flag? A bear flag is a structure formed which most likely that will break to the upside and then will trend towards the downside. So if you look at this market on euro dollar on the 5 minutes, what we see here is that with this drop at the market, you can see it's a nice looking bear flag. So this is a highly likely we'll see is breaking to the upside, and then we could see that it's trending to the downside. So this is a basic structure form. In most cases you'll see the bear flag, and with that break I will be waiting for an upside movement, and then once we'll see that from that zone, I'll be looking for selling opportunity on euro dollar. Let's see how we can find an entry. As soon as I will find that, definitely I'll be selling, and also I'll be sharing with you guys the entry. I hope that you are enjoying. Make sure guys you like this stream, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, and also check out all the link in the description area. Also, if you are looking to trade with a regulated broker, I'm currently partnered with TMGM. You can check their the link in the description area. Currently I'm trading with them as well, so I have all my trading account currently with TMGM, and moving with that. So you can find the link in the description. Also, I'm giving in the link in the live chat. You can use that link to register and you can start trading with a regulated broker. And also if you are in our academy, then you can share my I can share my trades as well. If you are there, it's much easier now. So thank you, and let me see where we are. Hello, seems to be a sell now. What do you think? Which instrument that you think that sell? Hi coach, good evening. GBP CAD. Zofia, that's my goal, to be a profitable trader. I truly want to be a profitable trader. Yes, that saying will really make a big difference. Just kindly give your view on US oil. Yeah, absolutely. Would you enter dollar yen? I'll be looking at that. Thank you. Okay, so I know one of you said that, okay, it's my goal is to be a profitable trader. You can be, all right. See, for those who really want to be a profitable trader, let me give you exercise that really helps. Trust me, it will help you. See, there is a famous psychologist from named Carl Jung. Okay, so Carl Jung is a Swiss psychologist and psychiatrist. He had a big influence in understanding the human mind, where is we need to understand in terms of trading as well. So according to Carl Jung, there is a it's called the modern people is facing a problem, is we lose in touch with our what I can say, that the real self, the true essence of who we are, because you know so much distraction with everything, mobile phone, TV, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and we forgot who we are. So because of that reason, we forgot that actually anything you want to manifest, or anything you want to bring, anything in your life, you need to act from two places at the same time. Physical, that what we see. So because of that, and also from the energetic or spiritual perspective, that I can say. So because of that, there is a big crisis in current social situation, and we struggle a lot in terms of in all aspect, but we don't find the real ground of doing what we need to do. So to eliminate that, for those who are watching, probably will be helpful to you, is, let's say if you want to be a profitable trader, then you cannot just try strategy and learning a strategy. It's not gonna fully happen unless you combine learning a strategy, practicing, giving time, and also working on other aspect of the inner aspect, the internal aspect, that what you need to look at. So a simple exercise will help you is try this for a couple of days and you'll see the difference. So what you can do is, so when you are let me see here, we see there is a on gold, we might see an entry. Let me find out. There is an entry on gold. Curlion, CURL, Curlion. Okay, so you see that there is a, let me see here. Okay, so when you, let's say before you go to bed, before you go to sleep, or just when you lay down on the bed, when you close your eyes, you need to ask yourself one question. Literally, you need to ask yourself that, who do I have to become to achieve that goal of being a trader or specific goal that you want to achieve? You need to ask yourself that question. Something like this. Let's say you had a goal to gain $1 million, right? You want to gain $1 million in a year, or $10 million, $5 million. What you need to do is, when you are laying down before you sleep, you need to ask yourself that, who do I have to become to achieve that goal of being a profitable trader or achieving that $1 million or $10 million? And once you ask this question, immediately your mind will start to find a solution for that. And why you need to do it before you go to bed? Because in that time your analytical mind will shut down and you started to see things very clearly. What will happen is that, if you ask yourself and then you started to see yourself in that situation where your goal is living things that for you already, all right? If you want to have a $10 million goal, or a $1 million goal, or $100,000 goal that you ask, once you ask this, you will see an image of yourself who is already in possession of all of the things that you are desiring. And so once you do it every single day, automatically you go to that path, go to that. And that faith is lost in the modern world because of all the noises that we are consuming every single day. And that's why everyone try hard, but not gonna happen. But no one is doing in the right direction. So that's why it is important that you keep touch on yourself, so that you can achieve things that you want to achieve and you desire and you deserve. You need to claim it, what you deserve. See, let me tell you something, all right, before you find a good trade. These are the real truth that you learn and grow. Okay, so let me see on dollar. Okay, GJ has a breakdown. Let me see. Big move. Let me see here on GJ. So it has gone up, tested the daily high. So the Aussie yen, we are out of the Aussie yen trade. Our stop loss was here. We are out of that. Let me see. There is any opportunity here in any of them. Let me see that GJ. Okay, so we might see some new momentum. Let me see here. Okay, so GJ, it's gathering that liquidity, and as you have seen early today, we had a big trade here on GJ. So this is that trade. This is AUD USD. Also, we had a GJ trade, and I really want to have some more. Let me find out where is our next entry opportunity that we can find. So from the 15 minutes, we see that it's forming doji. So here we might see that drop. Let me see a little more confirmation. It's a very sharp drop on GJ. Let me see on gold. This time gold had a very few false breakout. That was a little bit of surprising for me. I was expecting more manipulation, but this time gold didn't do much manipulation. You can see this is the 1 hour chart, just sharply dropping, and that's why we had more trade on GJ, because most of my trade, I trade based on manipulation, because when you understand the manipulation, you know that where is the opportunity. I less trade based on without manipulation, because when there is no manipulation, there is a big chance of manipulation. So basically, if I'm trading before the manipulation, then chances that I will be victim of manipulation. That's why let's wait for that manipulation to happen. Can you tell in which direction gold will go now? Gold is downtrend, so I'm expecting it to go down. So which way you are expecting? Let me know. YK gold, yeah, absolutely. Aussie yen broke resistance coach, yeah, absolutely. We'll be looking at that. So are you a trader or just came and talk? Gold trader. I'm a trader. You have seen that we are trading every single day. Don't be, if you are impatient, then you're not gonna sustain in this industry. All right, just don't come and throw your money. Instead, put that money in your bank account and go for a job. Go for a full-time job. That's better for you. Money earning is very hard. We are making consistent profit, and we need to keep that on. So how many trade you need to be a profitable trader? All right, you need to understand it that over trading will kill your trading account. All right, so how many trade you need in last 24 hours? Let me show you the P&L that we have traded. Right, so from yesterday's live session, let me bring all of them so that you know that how many trade you need to be profitable and why you need to be really patient when you are trading. So this trade on GBP JPY in yesterday's live session, probably you have seen that, right? After the Euro JPY, it was a winner, GJ, right? As soon as we finish the live session, this is after 12 p.m. I've sold AUD USD, right? GBP JPY winning trade, AUD USD, next one winner. Let's go to the next one. So, and then after AUD USD, next trade is Aussie AUD USD, hit the profit target, and then Aussie yen we sold. It just has come down. Later we closed to it 4-5 pip down, and then GBP JPY we sold and has given the full profit. So in last 24 hour, AUD like GBP JPY winner, AUD USD winner, GBP JPY winner, Aussie yen almost break even. 4 trades in 24 hour. How many trade you need? So now I know that probably you are not on those trade. That's very fair enough, but I cannot force the market when the market is not giving me the trade. This is the main thing that you need to understand. All right. Otherwise, you'd better keep your money in your trading account and let it be patiently wait for a good trade. It's always a good idea. Thank you very much. Why success in delay? Because nature is slow, but it gives you DXY has great liquidity and moving sharply up. So please check dollar yen. Yeah, absolutely. Is gold going up? I see that gold is coming down. It's in a downtrend, so I don't see so far any symptom of going up. Like, why would you even make comment like no worries Blake, that's fine. I really like all of you. Really, the reason I said this way, guys, don't take it otherwise, is because I want you to be profitable trader, and this is my worth, right? I'm spending time, you are spending time, and I really want you to develop a sound trading psychology. The day you become a profitable trader is the day I feel like, okay, I did a good job. I help you to be a profitable trader. And I was in your zone. There was, when I have gone through all of them, I know what everyone is going through. It's very normal. I was doing a full-time job when I was in the beginning stage of my trading, and desperately trying to find a way to make out of that job that I didn't like. So it's not the like, it's the job that was killing me. All right. And I tried to find every way possible to overcome that job. And whatever I'm making, I just losing. And the day I was having a bad day at work is the day I was having too many trades. And I open 1 trade, 2 trade, 3 trade, 4 trade, 5 trades, 10 trades in an hour, and just, it's just running red and blue and red and blue. At the top, minus $2 or plus $1. Here is running around $3,000, $4,000 rolling in that trade. So this is how I traded, and until I learn, until I grow, until I realize that it doesn't work, I thought that that's the right way to trade. And until I go to the real mentor and I see how trade, and I feel like, okay, they're not doing anything. What they are doing, they're not teaching anything, they're not doing anything. And then once I lose big money by over trading, I realize that, okay, I have to do what they are doing in the same way. And then I have learned the right way to trade. It takes a little bit of time, but I'm sure that every one of you who are trading can do that, right? So just be patient and keep a bigger goal in mind. Look at the bigger picture. Always is always the best. All right, so gold, we can see that here it's trending, right? There isn't still any entry here. And let me see, on GJ we saw that there was rejection from the top. So GJ had a drop from that level. Still so Euro JPY back to dodges. Just looking at JPY pairs, I think that now JPY pairs might so the way GBP JPY currently trending, this instrument trends rarely. So GJ currently trending, and I will be waiting for a really good entry opportunity on GBP JPY. This market is trending, and we had quite a few good trades on GBP JPY, but I will be waiting for a good entry opportunity on GJ again as soon as I will find that. All right, so be patient, guys. Make sure that you stick to the channel. Keep the money, your hard-earned money, in your trading account. Don't give away by over trading, and also focus on learning, get entertained by from this live session. We discuss a lot of things by about the trading psychology and all of them, and also trade with a regulated broker. The broker that I'm trading is TMGM. They are a SIC regulated broker. There is a lot of flexible account option available. If you want to join a regulated broker, the link below this video for TMGM, and also I can give you a link in the description area in the live chat. You can look at that, use that link to click that link, and then you can start trading. You can register and then start trading with a regulated broker. So with that being said, let me see, why would you even make, okay, go up, coach, we are on trade Aussie yen. So you are on trade of Aussie yen. Aussie yen was updated for removing the stop loss. I think if you are on trade, then you're on trade. I'm out nearly break even. After GJ's big profit, I just secured Aussie yen, move the stop loss. Why would you? Okay, thank you very much, coach. We are on trade. Very good. I agree with you completely. Very good. Are you coming live every day? Yes, Fatima, I'm coming live on every single day this time, trading live and also discussing all of them. Aussie yen might drop now. So this is what we were talking about, that Aussie yen. So a yen pair is, these all of them has gone back up, and we might see that now. Jackson coach, I agree with you. I know gold is all. Okay, Jackson. So you think that gold? No, I see that you see the gold on the 5 minutes has formed sharp bearish price action. I don't see any symptom of buying, any symptom of upside, because what is dropping is likely to drop. That's the law of trading. All right. So what I think that, I don't see any symptom of going up. Instead, it might just keep dropping until the monthly close. You can see the price is heading to the monthly. So this is the previous monthly low, which is touching, right? So almost touch the previous monthly low. And once the market will break this low, once the market will break the low, it may continue to drop to this 20 EMA. All right, so it may just keep dropping in that zone. So very high probability that gold may continue to drop. Yeah, so it's gonna, I see that potential downside on all of them. Okay, let me see all of them. So euro dollar is keep dropping, NZD USD, so all of them basically is pushing down. Okay, let me see the GBP USD. What's happening here? Okay, so I will be selling GBP USD from this level, stop loss just above this high, and I'll be targeting here just 121 for high probability on this one, and there will be around only 19 people stop loss. It's a low risk to reward, but I want to make sure that I'm getting profit that I need. I'll explain to you guys why I'm opening this. Okay. So GBP USD here around 18-19 pip stop loss. I want to see that it's coming down. I have opened the trade sell position, and yeah, so I'll explain later. First let it come down, and then I'll let you know why I have opened that place when that position on GU. And this candle here. So GBP JPY also GG might be okay. So GBP USD is strongly bearish, and I might go back. Okay. So here from the 1 hour on GBP USD, which what I see potentially bearish. Now if we look at our TF strategy, we see the back-to-back 3 sell alert, and all of them showing in the same direction. So I'm expecting it to come down to give me another winning trade, guys. Now make sure you like this stream, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more trade like that I'm trading. I'll be explaining now why I have opened the trade. Make sure that keep everything educational. This is only for learning and growing as a trader together. Don't take it any kind of financial advice. It's just my experience, so that we can relate to each other. In addition to that, any question, let me know. I will explain that trade very soon. First, let me see what else we have. Let it run. I'm just repeating. There is around 19 pip stop loss on that. It's now coming to my profit. I want to secure another profitable trade for today. The quick trade, guys, for all of you who are hungry for pip, and I want to make another pip day. It's dropping down. Okay, so I will be I'll give a shout out what I'm doing with the trade, but I'm still running. All right, so I'm still running the trade. All right, so if you are enjoying, make sure, guys, you like this stream, subscribe to the channel, and also if you are trading with me, definitely you are having a good experience, and I appreciate your support to the channel. And also make sure you trade with a regulated broker. Currently I am trading with TMGM. They are ASIC regulated, one of the best broker you will find out there, with multiple account flexibility. The link below this video in the description for the trade broker that I am using, and also I can give you a link in the live chat. I have given in the live chat. Once you click register for free, and you can start trading with a minimum capital that you can use that link, start trading with a regulated broker, and be part of a broker that you can be proud of, because they are fully ASIC regulated broker. It's GBP USD. Yes, absolutely, it's GBP USD. Let me know, guys, how many of you are on this trade. For those who are trading with Forex Trading Wizard Academy, majority of those know that I now connected with my account, so I open that trade, automatically will be copied in your account as well, many of you. So for those who are on this YouTube live, This is a community help for all of you, for those who want to be profitable trader, dedicated to you, because I was in your position one day. I struggled as a trader. I came from nothing to become a consistently profitable trader with a bunch of experience to share with you. So you can join me today if you want to be. Also link below this video in the description area. And this is a smart money trading academy where you learn the real smart money trading here. All right, so this is where you will be learning how the smart money trade, because I had a rare experience of trading with smart money, trading with the real trader who knows how the market moves, who knows how the liquidity works. All right, that's why I do organized every single day separate VIP classes with Zoom, so that those who are on the VIP can share their question directly to me, and I explain everything, and it will keep going. All right, my goal here is to make everyone coming in contact with me for trading to be a consistently profitable trader. Now your goal, if this is the same, let me know. Say that I want to be a consistently profitable trader. Make trading, say that I can make trading as a career, as a freedom, and I want to be a full-time trader. How many of you want to be a full-time trader and become a free from in all kind of um, you know um, all kinds of, what I can say, the financial burden that we have. Thank you very much. What do you think about AUD USD? I'm thinking about GBP USD. We'll be thinking about AUD USD. No worries, just be patient. It's GBP USD. Yes, absolutely. I'm on GBP USD. Thank you very much. Very smart fall on gold 2 days. 3,000 points stop. Very good. Copy. You're welcome. Okay, so let me find out here. All right, so hope that guys you're enjoying. All right, so we see that some downside. I want to see that before this candle close, dropping down, giving us the TP that we need. But I'm ready to do any change, because GBPUSD is a very low spread. The current broker that I'm trading has a very low spread on GBPUSD, so I'm in profit at the moment. And if I close my trade, then I'll give a shout out, but I will keep running. I'm expecting the next one also to come down. I'll give a little bit of flexibility. Maybe we could see some upside again for a pullback, but let's see how many people we are on that. 5 people. Okay, not much. So let it drop. So there is a weakless candle from here. We might see. Let me see here. From here there could be an upside bias to this level, but so what I need is 1 hour candle closing as a red. We need to see it close past the previous candle's low, so that even if it goes up again, it's come back down again to give us the full profit. So the way the market structure has formed, which is still bearish, and we can expect for the price to remain bearish. Let's see how it goes. Risk management is the key, guys. Make sure that you do the risk management properly. So it's gonna push up again. So here it's now okay. So here is the, you see there is a weakless candle, so there is a rejection. We might see some upside pullback, and now still holding that position, is still bearish. We might see a little bit of pullback, but at the end of the day we can expect for the price to drop, as this is a sharply bearish market. All right, so let's keep that. Let's keep it running, and in the meantime let me see gold. There is a massive drop on gold. It has the 1 hour candle closed, and it's a very ridiculous price action here. Okay, so there is a doji. Now what we need is for the price to come down to break the doji, which is very high probability to happen on GBP USD. Okay, so you see that that rejection, we need it, right? Strong breakdown will give us the profit that we need. Okay, so you see that after this 1 hour close, let me see in the meantime indices as well. US30 bearish, NASDAQ. So all of them has formed bearish price action. US30, NASDAQ, and yeah, so you see that middleman on US30. So there is a very high probability for the price to keep dropping, all of them on, including euro dollar. As euro news coming tomorrow, we could see that that one also coming down well below. Now AUD USD, guys, what we see that here on AUD USD, the price has broken the high, and along with GBP USD, we see that AUD USD is returning back from that zone. So this one also currently turning to bearish market. So Gbpusd has dropped back again, and we are in profit again. It's good, celebrate, guys. And I want to see that it's giving us another back-to-back trade, 5th trade in the row winner. You can see that all the trade that I do, I also share with the VIPs as well, with entry, stop loss, and take profit target. You can see the trade that if you are our member, you can see all the trade that I am opening with entry, stop loss, and take profit. You can copy if you like, and you can learn the strategy that I am trading. The link below this video in the description area. Visit the website and then click join now button. Then you will be able to join, access everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Guys, are you enjoying? Let me know in the live chat. We are up on GBP USD. Here is the real trading happens. 8 pip, 9 pip up. So you can see in the 5 minutes time frame, it's trying to break. If I make any modification, I'll let you know, guys. Mr. Doctor, command that I am consistently profitable and able to help others with my... Yeah, absolutely, Mr. D. Yes, you can do that. Why not? Everyone have the ability to do that. That's a very good and a very generous mindset. Appreciate that. How much is the commission for... Muhammad Abu Nasab, I don't take any commission. All right, so if you are our VIP member, if you are connected with my account, I don't take any commission. It's just to help you. All right, so if you are our VIP member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, I don't give this service out of the VIP because I need to know who you are before I let you know, copy my trade. And if you are in the academy, let me know. I don't take any commission, it's free. Thank you for your guidance and support. Thank you very much. Thanks for that. So how many... Okay, Peter, currently I'm using one regulated broker, TMGM. All right, so currently I'm using one broker, TMGM, for all my accounts. Link below this video in the description, and also you can see the link at the top. The first link in the second link in the description area. Let me give you the link on the live chat. You can open account with TMGM. They are segregated. And also let me give you a rundown of what about the TMGM. So you can Google it to see who they are. So if I Google it, Google is telling me what it is. So trust score of 83 out of 99. Absolutely can rely on. So link below this video in the description, and also you can link at that, as you can see the first link in the description area. So now let me see on this one. So just to disclaimer guys, that I am educator, okay? I'm a trading coach. I'm not any kind of broker. So I'm trading with them because I need also broker to trade. So that's why I'm suggesting you as a recommendation, but you will be trading with TMGM if you're with them, and I'm not anything with this. So I'm just partnered with them. I'm trading with them. That's it. All right. So the rest is your choice. Even you can trade with your own broker. Currently you are trading. It's up to you. I can't tell you that join this or that, but just a recommendation. It's up to you. So let me see. We can see that GBP USD has dropped. Now let me see if we need to make any modification on GBP USD. Our entry price at so let me see if we need to take the partial. Okay, so GBP USD is pushing down and we are on the right track. So let's find out. I will hold a position for a full profit on that. All right guys, so this is what I was telling you in the beginning. You guys need a trade. I told you that be patient, there will come. Okay, so let the market show its hand so that you can hold it and catch that peep that you need. So this is why it is important that always be patient and wait for the market to come to you before you before anything else. So let the market give its hand to you. So from 5 minutes we see a doji. Okay, so you see that on GBPSD we are we are up around, I want to take at least 10 peep on that. Okay, so it's coming down, and what I will do now after going to the 10 pip, going to the 10 pip profit. So I'm at 10 pip profit now at the moment. So I will take a little partial profit on it, around 30%, and I will move my stop loss at entry so that I'm covered for everything and I'm not losing anything. So I will close around 30% of the position, and I will move my stop loss at entry. All right, so my stop loss now I'm going to move at entry so that okay, so I moved my stop loss and I closed only 30% of the position. So that means that 2/3 is still running. So I will also update the boys, and also I did in my account. For those who are directly connected to my account, no need to do anything, it's done automatically. So it's a now risk-free trade. So I move my stop loss at entry. I'm just repeating again, I move my stop loss at entry, and also I have closed 30% of the position so that in case I'm out of the trade, I'm covered with the commission and spread and everything. And also I'm expecting to give me the full profit, though it's still running in profit. So it's a risk-free trade. Let's keep up. Let's hope it to drop, which is very likely to happen. All right, real trading happened here, a real winning trade or a losing trade, doesn't matter, but the main thing here is to know how to trade. Okay, so this is the main goal here for me, is to help trader to know how to trade. And if you know how to trade, keep trading, make trading your career, become a full-time trader, make the dream life that you want to live. If you don't know how to trade, stick to the channel. If you want to speed up your learning, you can join us, link below this video. Before I close, taking member for some time, still open, couple of spots, you can join, link in the description area. You have seen in front of your own eyes how I am trading, and I will keep trading in that way. And also as an added bonus, it's a big bonus, is that if you are our member, you can copy my trade directly from my account to your account. Even if you're at sleep, any trade that I'm opening will be opened in your account, and I do all my trades with proper risk management. So with that being said, guys, we are up to our 10 seconds, and yeah, Mahardar, thank you very much. And I absolutely believe that, guys, you enjoyed this live session, and make sure that you like the stream, and also everyone subscribe to the channel. So before I leave, I want to make sure that all of you watching, you press that bell button and also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to join a regulated broker, use the link below this video. With that being said, I'll see you again tomorrow in this live session. Until that, stay well, stay happy. Make sure that you keep that profit in your account. Don't over trade. Join the live session every day so that you are not over trading, and then rest of the time you may forget. That's better, so that you can get trained over time. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.